Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe this volume panel to the left side with your finger. Sorry, to the left, right. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first you should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the three dots, and just to activate just to unmute the ringtone you should swipe this volume panel here to the up, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.